Empty set literal equals empty list equals empty tuple equals empty dict. Is there a similar notation for an empty set? Or do I have to write set?
No, there's no literal syntax for the empty set. You have to write set.
It depends on if you want the literal for a comparison, or for assignment. If you want to make an existing set empty, you can use the .clear method, especially if you want to avoid creating a new object. If you want to do a comparison, use set, or check if the length is 0. Example.
Just to extend the accepted answer. From version 2.7 and 3.1, Python has got set literal in form of usage 1, 2, 3, but itself still used for empty dict. Python 2.7, first line is invalid in Python 2.7. Python 3.x. More here, this URL.
By all means, please use set to create an empty set. But, if you want to impress people, tell them that you can create an empty set using literals and asterisk with Python is greater than or equal to 3.5, see PEP 448, by doing. This is basically a more condensed way of doing _4_in, but don't do this.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.